Hello and welcome to Assamese Defense Analysis. Friends, in today's video, we will discuss about two important updates received from Indian Army. Our first update come from Indian Navy. The Indian Navy on Monday 28 March inducted the indigenous Dhruv MK-III helicopter in Southern Naval Command at Kochi. Indian Navy commissioned its first Dhruv MK squadron in November 2013. The LCH Mark III aircraft is manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It is twin-engine, multi-role, multi-mission, new generation helicopter. The development of HAL Dhruv was announced in November 1984. The helicopter first flew in 1992. Dhruv entered service in 2002. It is designed to meet the requirement of both military and civil operator. As of January 2022, 335 HAL Dhruv have been produced for domestic and export markets, logging more than 340,000 flying hours. Our second update comes from Indian Air Force. The Prime Minister led Cabinet Committee on Security on 30th March 2022 approved the procurement of 15 indigenously developed light combat helicopter at a cost of rupees 3,887 crore. 10 helicopters will be produced for the IAF and 5 will be for Indian Army. Light combat helicopter is manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Light combat helicopter is designed for high altitude bunker busting operations, counter-insurgency operation in the jungle and urban environment for supporting ground forces. Under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, India is continuously growing in its capability to indigenously design, developed and manufactured advanced cutting-edge technologies and systems in the defense sector.